passionate. I work hard to win it, pop it in on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch you.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. So I hope you are enjoying the new backdrop, as I am very much so enjoying it. So I just wanted to do a quick hair review. However, like, I did so many videos and I'm just like, I'm missing something. Like, what is going on? Then I'm like, oh my gosh, while I'm eating, I'm like, yo, I did not even film the main like highlight of today, the freaking hair review. So this unit is from New Star Hair. I had to look down my iPad over here doing a little shump. So yeah, this unit is from New Star Hair. Originally I requested these 14-inch lace box. This is a 13 by 6 lace frontal unit. I think the density is really nice on this unit. I think the color is very platinum, very in your face, easily stained. I will say that. Let me, all right, okay, doing too much, but it is easily stained. As you can see, like, I put makeup, I put powder underneath, and it was like just coming through. So what I did was took a makeup remover wipe, because it was already on my head and I wasn't about to, you know, I had the glue and stuff on there. I wasn't about to wash the whole unit and start all over. It just was a no for me. Okay, so yeah, I just took a makeup remover wipe, Neutrogena, and tried to, like, you know, dust it off as best as I can. So I've been using lately, as far as installation and all that good stuff, basically what I did, took the wig out the dang, I can't even talk today. I took the wig out the box, and you know, it was decent. I originally wanted to color it, but I ended up really liking the 613, and this is gonna be my homecoming hair, I believe. I think I want to do that. I think I want to step outside the box and not do black this year, and not do a bun or whatever. So took it out, and I do cut my units before I put them on, because cutting them while they're on your head is just too much work. I ain't got time. So so I put some powder underneath, and like I said, it kind of like got oil on the actual unit, and I was like, damn, like, how am I gonna fix this? Anywho, lately I've been installing with got2b glue. Well, they're all glued, like gels. So I use the yellow one and the black one and the hairspray, and that has been like holding my unit on, okay, for dear life. Like, even at night sometimes I have to wet it to get it off, or I can even sleep in it without it lifting. So yeah, that's basically all I did. I didn't have to really pluck much. I did make a little bit of baby hairs just to blend it a little bit better, but once I put my contour powder as the part, it looked really nice. Like, I like the way this looks, and I know some people will say, well, you should darken the roots, you should make it an ash blonde, you should do this, you should do that, but I wanted to go for the platinum, and I'm over here looking in the viewfinder, and I always forget that I need to look at the lens. So anywho, this is what it looks like from this side. I will say the density is a little light, is a little thin, but I do like it. I ran a flat iron through it, but I really didn't alter much. I just was getting a little bump out of it, because I like the front to be a little more straight and the back to be bumped. So I think that's pretty much it as far as my installation. It didn't take much. I was gonna come on camera and do it, but everything was like upstairs, and I was like, okay, I'm doing my makeup and I'm doing all of this. I like to do my wig before my makeup. It was just too much. Okay, so I did go ahead and do it, but I do have videos. I'll link them down below on how I do a quick 5-10 minute install on my units. It's really simple, and I don't use a blow dryer, I don't use the ball cap method, none of that. Okay, I just put on a wig cap, slap it on, sit this down and all of that, and put my scarf on, and that's pretty much it. So if you can't tell, this is a 613 blonde wig. I have, like I said, a 12-inch one, which up here it's saying it's only $95. That is not bad. Now I kind of wish I would have colored it to see how it would take. So it says it's human virgin hair. It doesn't feel bad. It, you know, it did well in the flat iron. I didn't have any issues with it. One more mention, for my flyaways, I've been using the She Is Bomb wax stick, and I think that's to kind of give your hair texture and slick it back into a bun. But for like straight hair and any like wigs that I've been wearing, I just put it on the top, spray it with a little water, put the wax stick on top. It's like a glue push-up tube. It's really helpful, and I've had it for like over a year now, and I'm just like, why am I just now using this for my wigs? So I just you know, like a glue stick, just rub it on, and then I brush it with like a hard bristle brush or medium bristle, and then I put my scarf on, and it's really easy to use, and it does get rid of those flyaways and just make this part super duper flat. My hair is not even braided underneath. I actually have I have 4 twists, and then I pull them back into a bun, and that's it. So yeah, I have a little puff back here because of my bun. So for this unit, basically, if you get the 10-inch, it's 130 density. If you get the 12-inch, it's 140, and if you get the 14-inch, it's 150% density. So what I have is the 140% density. It is an average size. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. So this is an average size, which is around a 22 inch cap, I think around a medium. I got my unit really quick. I've actually had it for like 2 months, I want to say. I had it for a really long time. Like I said, I wanted to color it, and then I just was like, F it, we're going blonde, and it turned out I really like the blonde. So I'm really happy with what this turned out to look like. If I do anything for homecoming to alter this unit, it will probably just be coloring the roots, but I honestly don't even want to do that. Like, I feel like it's fine. Like, it's fine. I really do like this. So it does, you know, have some movement like a bob should. Okay. I just made myself dizzy. But yeah, I like the density. Like I said, it's just really lightweight. Like, it's just really lightweight, but it does have a nice movement to it. Anywho, that's enough about this New Star unit. For under $100, I don't think you're gonna find too much better, because, you know, people be taxing. Yeah, but for under $100, I don't think you're gonna find anything too much better. Like I said, I do kind of wish I would have colored it, just to let you guys know if it like really took well. But other than that, like I said, when I was flat ironing it and all of that, it didn't melt, you know, like fake hair does. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good unit. I think it's pretty dope. And like I said, if I do anything for homecoming to it to alter it its natural state, I will let you guys, well, y'all will see, because I will be taking pictures for homecoming. Okay, honey. But no, thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, this is a New Star version unit. I'll leave it down below.